Hi friends, it's me, Silly Miss Lily.
And Paisley.
And today we're gonna do such a fun activity. We're gonna take birdhouses and then paint them with nut butter. You can do almond butter or peanut butter, and then decorate it with seeds and oats and make little bird feeders out of birdhouse so they can come back and eat their seeds and eat it all up. I'm so excited. Let's do it together. Come on. Okay, so here's what I've got. I've got creamy peanut butter. I've also got almond butter. What are you gonna go with for your home?
For my home, I'm going for this.
That's a nice little spatula.
Okay?
Okay.
I'll use scoop it, put it on, spread it.
Yeah, you're kind of like painting it on, and the peanut butter or the almond butter is gonna be like the glue that helps us stick all these seeds and nuts onto it. You know what? Let me add these oats. I'm so excited. And it can be for birds, squirrels, any kind of fun creature. All right, let's put it on. I feel like we're little builders. Like, oh, I'm a woodpecker. Crane bird. I guess a lot of birds are kind of like construction workers, right? Mm-hmm. Woodpecker was like, hey, peck, 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 I built this house. Mm-hmm. Can I be a bird?
Sure, but where should I put this? How about like this?
That's great. Yeah, you know what? It's one of those messy activities, so we can just get messy. We've got this nice tablecloth. Okay, I've got this.
I'll have some cookie too.
Have a cookie. You can use a cookie crumble. Let me put some more glue on. The birds are chirping about it. They're excited. Okay, I thought these little almonds, nice little shingles. If I was a bird, I'd love to get a house like this. I'd be like, what? I get to live in this and I can eat stuff off of it? What a holiday.
May I have one of these?
Oh yeah, of course, please. Anything you'd like. I'm gonna do little shingles here, and then I think on the porch, I'm gonna go a little bananas with some sunflower seeds and maybe like oats on the other side. And then we're gonna need flowers. We're gonna need some maybe grass just to make it cutesy. Have you ever built a house like this before?
No.
Me either. Can I play a bird?
Yep.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Paisley.
I'm a bird. My name's Fly McFly Birdie Birdie.
Hi.
Hi, it's nice to meet you. Tell me about your human world. What's going on? What are you working on?
Right now I'm building a birdhouse, and can I tell you something?
Yeah.
We're using, you'll never guess what we're using for decoration.
Tell me.
Flowers, and almonds, and cookie crumbs, and oats, and sunflower seeds, and bird seeds.
I can't even believe that. Those are all delicious things.
Yep, they're for you.
What?
Yep. Well, and other birds.
Oh, I'd like to share. I like sharing. I hear my other birds around. They're going tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, chirp. I'm gonna put my shingles on. Back, 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 back. Tweet, tweet, chirp, 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 chirp.
Do you like what I have so far?
Yeah, look how beautiful that is.
No.
That is a house I'd like to live in. Do you have any sunflower seeds?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm gonna use some on this side of the house.
But I don't know which one are this one.
So let me try them. Let me try this. I'm gonna tell you. That's sunflower. What do you think this is then?
Oats.
Okay, maybe I'll do sunflowers on one side, oats on another.
Okay.
Okay, so let's spread this. You ever get hundreds of birds in your yard?
Sometimes.
Are you a little nervous this will bring hundreds of birds in your yard?
Not like nervous, but like just, well, ready to find out.
Oh, exciting.
Yeah.
It's kind of nice on this spring day, huh?
Spread, 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 spread.
That's looking nice. I'm gonna use some of these oats.
Now, some more peanut butter. Oh, and besides peanut butter, we also have some almond butter.
Oh, okay. May I use some of those, like that big nut seed mix?
Yep. Like,
okay, this is looking.
Mom?
Yeah.
Is it okay if I turn this into like a bird mix? So like I'll add some of each thing?
Yeah, of course.
Some from each container?
I think so. I think that would be lovely. I'm gonna do some oats on the roof here. I'm gonna go oats on this.
Yeah. May I have some of these?
Oh, of course.
I'm making a roof.
I like that. You're a great builder. You build a lot of stuff?
Yep.
Like what?
Well, I don't exactly build a lot, but like I craft a lot.
What do you like to craft?
Lots of things.
This is kind of like birdhouse feeding, crafting. You're feeding the birds, crafting the homes.
Yep.
Oh, this is nice. I don't even know what to put on this side. Oats? Seeds?
This is a bird mix.
Okay, I'm gonna add more of that. I'm just gonna let it kind of sprinkle. I guess if more gets inside, then it's like a feast inside the house, and they're like, oh wow, let me come in. Okay, let me decorate this. Hello, I'm a house painter. Can I come paint this house?
Oh, sure. This is from my bird friends.
It is. Tell me about this.
Well, I have some bird friends
Okay.
who visit my yard a lot.
Are they looking for food and a shelter?
Yeah.
This seems like it's both. Okay, I'm gonna need a couple of flowers. Okay, I see some little blue flowers here. Those are gonna be beautiful. Some purple ones. Let's make a little bouquet for the birds, and they're gonna be like, wow, look at my home. I feel so welcomed here. I hear one chirping. It's probably talking about the house. Bird, your house is not ready yet, but soon. You need to get a real estate agent. Look at that. Look at this. So the bird's gonna look outside and be like, wow, look at these beautiful flowers growing. Of course, we'll add some seeds and they can fall inside because that's their lunch and dinner.
I loved this.
Yeah, I'm so happy we have more houses to decorate as the good news.
There's some things I want to do real quick.
Of course, take your time. I'm gonna borrow some scissors I saw.
I want to lay it down, but there's stuff on the other, but there's peanut butter on the other side.
Yeah, I think they'll need to kind of dry a little bit. Look at this. I'm gonna put this right here to dry. Okay, that cardinal's eyeing this house. I think we might have a first customer. We might need to have an open house. That means like, hey, people can come in, check it out. We might need to open up a bird village with all these homes we've got going on. Okay, I don't know which one to decorate next. Little house, big house, little house, big house. Which one are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do little house next.
Okay, I'll do this one. Okay, so what should we put on the roof of this?
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm gonna start with our like plaster here. Okay, this is as gooey as it gets. I hear the bird, they're chit-chatting to each other. I bet they're saying, whoa, check out that peanut butter. That's gonna be nice. Oh, she's flying over, she's seeing it.
I'll keep, so she doesn't eat our house right away. I'll sprinkle some of the bird mix to keep her away.
Yeah, do a distraction, do a birdseed distraction. Look, he's getting those seeds. I knew it.
Hey,
Birds.
this should keep her over here.
Yeah, come get these seeds, guys.
I'm putting things around to keep her away from this.
Look at this.
I mean, yes, we want her to eat it, but just not right away.
Right, we want to finish up our little village first. We're building a neighborhood of birds. Bird neighborhood. I mean, that is just cool.
I'll put some up there. I'll put some on the patio. She really likes it up there.
Okay, when you come back, let me know what they say. I want to hear all about it, okay?
Okay, but I don't know what it means, what the bird language is.
Okay, I'll be one of those birds when you come back.
Okay, I'll put some in here, over here. I'm using these to keep her away so she doesn't eat right away. Over here. That should keep her away for long enough for us to finish.
Caca!
Hi,
it's me, I'm a bird.
Hi.
What's with your talons? They look different.
I'm a human?
Whoa, and what's with your wings? They have no feathers. Are you still growing yours?
No, that's just, we don't have feathers
What?
as a human.
What?
We get around like this.
Then what do you call that?
Our feet. These are feet, but together. They're foots, but when they're together, they're called feet.
Okay, so 1 foot, multiple feet.
Yeah.
Do humans have beaks?
No, we have mouths. Look.
Oh, wow, that's how you eat your cookies?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, what should I put in the back of this house is the big question. Sunflowers?
Anything you'd like.
So I'm gonna do a little sunflowers on top, oatmeal in the middle.
I put a little peanut butter into this mix.
Oh, that's nice.
So,
Look at that.
look at this.
I think the bird's liking it. I'm hearing a lot of bird songs. Oh, that looks yummy. You're doing like a drizzle.
Yeah.
Here's the question. Do you think the squirrels are gonna come see this and be like, wow, what's going on with this yumminess?
Squirrels, everybody will love it.
I think so too. I think this is gonna be a big hit in the neighborhood.
Yep.
This is staying so nice. Look at that.
Yeah.
If I was a bird,
But
I'd want that.
you are.
Right, I'm a bird. What's your favorite type of bird?
Well, actually, owl is.
You like owls?
Yeah, they're my favorite bird.
Okay, I think I'm ready to put some seeds on this. Here we go. We got the butter. I'm so sticky. I'm like a sticky bird. Wow. Gingerbread houses. What about bird houses? This is the house you want to eat, I guess, if you're a bird. Okay, so these are drying.
I'll try.
I'm gonna add a little flour here. Oh, that's beautiful.
Mom, do you want to trade?
Yeah. What would you like? Tools, butter? You want your butter back?
Yep.
Yeah, your butter spread well. That's good butter. I wonder if we leave this table afterwards, if it's gonna be like a bird swarm, and the birds are like, ah, the goods. I don't know why the bird feeder companies don't do this. It's like, whoa, you guys gotta put some food on the birdhouse.
And?
Are you gonna dip it in there? Here we go. Oh, yeah.
See?
That looks so nice.
But you can still make some, like sprinkles still.
Why not? Yeah.
I think I know what I'm gonna do next.
Okay.
But I will be needing sunflower seeds.
Okay.
See, so I'm using it here. And sunflower seeds are the smallest thing I have.
Good thinking. So you're considering like the size of the seeds to the area that is gonna go on.
Yep.
I think if we get a shepherd's hook or tie a rope, and then we put this birdhouse here, isn't that just so beautiful? This is our peach tree. So we're waiting for all the bees to pollinate it, and then hopefully we'll have lots of peaches this year. Wow. Are you gathering some flowers? What'd you get? Look how beautiful this is. Isn't that lovely? Mm-hmm. Oh, I love it. Wow.
I'm gonna make a flower birdhouse.
Noodle pants. Look how wonderful that looks. Whoa, that's so creative.
See, so it's like seeds and flowers.
I love that. Okay, they just need to dry a little bit.
I'm using the seeds since they're hard to like support.
I love that.
I'll put some inside too.
Of course.
I'll put some
Look how fantastic that is.
yummies inside for them birds.
I got this little dandelion. Boop.
It's cute.
Yeah, it's like, hello, birds, welcome. Should we let them dry and then hang
Wait,
out?
there's just one more thing that
Of course.
I need to do. And just a dab here.
Add a little dab there. Oh, and a little perch.
And
Yeah. Like a little welcome seed. Okay, well now we'll let these dry and then we'll hang them all the way around, maybe by the trees or by our house, and then birds will come and eat them. I'm so excited. We can hang this birdhouse right here. Wow. Okay, it's ready for you birds.
can you see everything?
Yeah. Wow! How'd you make it?
I used seeds and peanut butter.
It looks lovely. You think birds are gonna come and check it out?
Yeah.
I think so too.
Great.
You can spread them. You can go like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, throw.
Oh.
Throw for the birds. Eat, eat, birds.
Wow.
Throw. Let's go sprinkle, sprinkle for the birds. Sprinkle, sprinkle for the birds. You go, bird. Good job. Oh, they're gonna love those, buddy. Here's some more. Now sprinkle, sprinkle all around. He's like, here you go, birds. Bird says, thank you, chirp, 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 chirp.
You're fine.
You're welcome, birds. Thank you, Ezra, thank you. Chirp, chirp, tweet, tweet, tweet. Chirp, chirp, thank you. How are the sunflower seeds? Salty? Wait. Wow, this was so much fun. Look how great these turned out. Thank you so much for spending your time with us and building these really awesome little bird feeder bird houses. I hope you make one at home as well. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you're looking for more of our videos, make sure to search for Paisley's Corner with Silly Miss Lily.
And Paisley.
We'll see you then. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Chirp, 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 chirp. Tweet, 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 tweet.